Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase online banking, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the tax documents for one of your Chase accounts? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your tax documents from your Chase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your CPA or your accountant is going to ask for your tax documents for various accounts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find the tax documents for all of your Chase account, here on the top blue menu, you're going to click on Accounts. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click on Statements and Documents. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu here on the line. You want to click on this line here, Tax Documents. Once you do that, you're going to choose the tax year. So I'm going to go ahead and see here. I'll choose this year. Once you've chosen the tax year, you're going to see all the accounts you had during that year. Go ahead and choose the account that you want to see the tax documents for. So for example, this one, once you click on the account, it's going to open up. And if there's a tax document available for that account, you're going to see the form right here. And you can easily click this downward arrow and download it to your computer. Not every account that you have with Chase is going to offer a tax document, but if there is one available, it's going to show up right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Chase account tax documents, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.